A plank E, AI, AY, and EIGH all say A. Say it with me. A. Let's practice the long A sound. Ready? I say, then you say. Go. Lane, gave, safe, flail, waver, tray, raisin, layer, freight, cane, say, sleigh, bait, made, hay, 80, claim, mail, amaze, plate. Good job. Let's do it one more time for practice. Lane, gave, safe, flail, waver, tray, raisin, layer, freight, cane, say, sleigh, bait, made, hay, 80, claim, mail, amaze, plate. Good job. Okay, I'm going to give you a chance to say them by yourself. Ready? Go. Excellent. Did you say them all? I'm going to point to a word and then you say it. Good, that's cane. Great, that's bait. Yeah, that's tray. Yes, that's 80. You did a good job.